Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to slow down your editing too fast in TikTok while changing your name. So if you are having this kind of error on TikTok, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether your Wi-Fi or internet connection is working properly or not. For this, what you have to do is you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router, and after that the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after some second you have to simply turn it off again so that your internet connection can restart it. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings of your iPhone, and after that you have to scroll it down and you have to click on general. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting your all network settings, you have to simply go back, and here again you have to click on general, and you have to click on iPhone storage, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of TikTok. So here what you have to do, you have to simply offload the app, which means you have to simply delete all of your iPhone data. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and after going back, what you have to do, you have to simply open the TikTok app, and after that you will open the TikTok app. It will be new, and you have to simply log in your account. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply click on three lines. After that you have to click on settings and privacy, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of free up space. So here what you have to do, you have to simply clear the cache and all the data which is occupying space. And the next thing you have to do is, the problem is still there, you can simply go for report a problem, and you have to simply report that problem to TikTok teams so that they can solve for you. And here you can simply click on account and profile, and you can select the problem you are having, for example editing profile, and you can click on change username or updating name. So here what you have to do, you have to simply report that problem to TikTok team so that you can simply get more help from the TikTok team. So here will be a form, you have to simply fill that form and explain the problem to TikTok team, and within few days TikTok team will connect to you and solve the problem for you. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.